Hello everyone. So today I will try to help you to solve this error. Okay, I will demonstrate by creating a new project. I will try to run it. As you can see, we get an error. Two issues were found when checking AAR metadata. So basically we need to change the compile SDK version so that we are able to support the new Android 16 beta or something like that. So I will show you how to fix this. Let's go to the Gradle and go to build.gradle.ktx module app, or if you are using the project, then it will be inside app slash build.gradle. So go here and change the compile SDK version to 35 and it will work. And I have read that a better solution is to change something else that I will show you in a moment. It is successful, but if we change it back to 34 and we go to the dependencies and the implementation and change this version to 1.13.1, then it will work as well. It is successful. We can see it in the emulator. So as you can see, we have successfully fixed this error. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.